First, check the device's Wi-Fi name. And then connect to the device's Wi-Fi network on your computer. Enter password. Open HD player. This is the Wi-Fi serial number of the device that was just connected. Click Settings. Click P6L. Resolution input 312 by 624. Click OK. Click Custom Area. Click Source File. Select the files you want to send. Click OK. Click Send. Select this device. Click Send. Waiting for the video to finish sending. Check the LED display's Wi-Fi name, then connect to it using your mobile phone. Enter password. Open the LED art software. Add an LED display. Click Add directly without modifying the parameters. Click OK. Add programs to the LED display screen. Select Customize. Select Video. Select the program you want to send, then click OK. Return to the previous page. Click Send and wait for the program transmission to complete.